You're fine. You need to pedal is what you need to do. Pedal and steer. Straight, straight, straight. Oh my. Well, don't take your hands off. What is that about? You're doing trick biking with training wheels?
New hands.
7, how old are you?
4 3/4.
When's your birthday?
April 14th, and it's almost April 14th. It's January, February, March, April.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do for your birthday?
March, April. I'm gonna have a Dora birthday party.
Huh. Alright. Go ride your bike again.